Hi everyone, I wanted to share a really exciting new feature of Power BI that allows you to take reports in Power BI and share them on public blogs and websites. And it's really intended to help people who need to share information with a broad audience on the public internet to be able to share that and tell their data story using interactive, compelling visualizations. So I'm going to start here in Power BI with a report. This report shows data around who's calling 311 in the city of New York. So what you can see is the report is fully interactive. So we can see that the folks who are playing with the streetlight conditions. And now I want to take this and I want to place it in a blog. So let me show you how to do that real quick. So you're going to come into Power BI and you're going to see this new option which says Publish to Web. So when you press Publish to Web, you'll be able to go through the UI workflow. I encourage you to read all the dialogues. And now before you press Publish, you should really make sure that you're not sharing any confidential or proprietary information, and you have the rights to share that information. If you have any questions, check your organization's policies and procedures before going ahead and doing this. So now go press Publish. And with that, I've created an embed code. Now, this embed code and this URL allow anyone on the internet to access this content. So let me grab this URL, and I will just paste it into a new browser tab. And immediately, the report loads in the browser window. So if I send it to anyone, they would be able to see it. So here, the report is now fully interactive, just like it was before. So great, I have shared this report. Now I can go ahead and embed it in a website. You can see that I have this iframe here, so I'm going to go place that into my blog or website. I can adjust some of the settings. I can also fine-tune it afterwards when I paste it into my blog. So let me go and show you pasting into my blog. So here I have a basic blog post. I'm going to paste in the iframe, and then I'm going to change some of the settings just to make sure that it fits really nicely inside my iframe. Let me go save that. And now what I can do is I can load this page. Here it is before I had the report, and here it is loading the fully interactive report. And just with a few clicks, it took me about 2 minutes to go do this. I have a fully interactive Power BI report inside my blog. Again, it's fully interactive just like it was before. I can use multiple pages. I can use things like play axis to go really tell my story. I can even use things like custom visualizations where I can go and pull in really compelling visualizations to tell the unique story that I have. We think this is going to be great for non-governmental organizations, NGOs, governments as well, to communicate data to citizens, but just anyone who wants to tell a compelling data story and wants to support that with data. Now, this capability is available in Power BI right now. It's available for all users. It's in preview, so it's available at no cost during the preview. Let me show you a few more things that are available with the feature. So now that I created the embed code, it's really wonderful, but sometimes I might want to go delete it. So let me show you where to do that. You'll press the settings gear and you'll come down into this menu option. By the time you play with it, it'll probably say manage embed codes. I'll press on it and then I'll be able to see the embed code that I created here, and then I can go delete that embed code, or I can go retrieve the link for that embed code. Now, one thing to note is that the report, once I do the publish to web on it, is publicly available and it will stay up to date. So what that means is that about every hour we can update the data for the report, but you have to set the refresh schedule for that report to push the new data. If you do make changes, it will take about an hour for those to be reflected in the publicly facing report. So just plan around that if you're going to publish it to at a specific moment in time. So with that, it's incredibly easy to take compelling interactive visuals, create data stories using Power BI, and then share them on your blog or website to get your message across. And that's all available right now in Power BI. We're looking forward to hearing from you to see what else you'd like us to build for Power BI. So go to ideas.powerbi.com for that, and we'd love to see you in our community, community.powerbi.com. Thanks very much.